We saw her. Oh, no, you missed her.
Oh, here she is again. Oh my gosh. Okay, let go, little girl. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Ava, still, I'm getting Mackenzie. Where's Mackenzie? Where's Mackenzie? No, I don't want you here. Go get Mackenzie. Mackenzie, where are you? Where's Mackenzie? Where's Mackenzie? No phone. No, 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 no. Give me the phone. Give me the phone, Ava Sue. Thank you.
I lost my thing.
Where's Mackenzie?
Give me it. Help me.
Help you what?
I need it.
Need what?
Yeah. I'll kick it out.
No, I'm just walking out. This is going to be all blurry film. Where's Mackenzie?
Trying to hide here.
Where's Ava? Oh, who are you calling? Are you calling someone, Ava Sue? Go get Mackenzie. Hello? Go get Mackenzie. Put the phone back. No phone. No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hello? Did you do that, Ava? I think you did that. Ava. Oh, Ava, put that back. Whoa, put it back. You're not supposed to have that. Put it back. Just turn the TV down, Mackenzie. She's turning it up. Hello? Hi. Oh, I'm videotaping the kids, so I gotta turn the camera off. Oh, okay. I'll talk. Yeah, I had it. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, just put Miss Ava and me and Mackenzie. We're just taking some video here. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.
That's Mom.
No, it's Bruce.
Call Mom.
She's on her way home.
No.
Ava.
Where am I gonna go? Where am I gonna go?
I don't know. Mackenzie, you better hide quick. She's gonna be home any minute.
Oh no.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Help.
Hurry.
Help me.
Hurry, Mackenzie, hurry. She's gonna be home any minute.
No. No, 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 no.
Yeah, but he has your stuff.
Like, Meg, come over here, please.
Ava, put it down. Put it down. Put it down, Ava. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, we're going to take care of that. Hold on a second here. Ava, go away. Go away. Tongue hanging out like a little panting dog. Here's Mackenzie. You look so serious, Mackenzie.
What?
You look so serious.
Trying to see what's on.
You better go hide. Mom's coming. Okay, Mackenzie's gonna. Aren't you gonna go hide? You better hurry if you're going to. God. Are you fort built, do you? I think she's gonna see you there. You have to do better than that. Oh, yeah, yeah, she's not gonna notice that head sticking up. She might notice that, Mackenzie.
Oh, yeah. Time to go late.
Now that's new.
Well, your head's sticking right up.
Go like this.
Well, that might work. Arm sticking out, probably be a dead giveaway, though. There's Mama! There's Mommy! Yay! Mackenzie made the mess, not me. I have it on video, too. Here's Mommy. It's Friday. Yay! Go see Mommy.
Where's your shirt?
What shirt?
Yeah, the shirt earlier now.
She had apple juice all over it. She had to change her clothes.
Oh, God, Mackenzie.
Go see Mommy.
Come here. Oh. Okay, turn up now.
Ava Sue, where's your mommy? There's Mackenzie. Where's Ava? There you are. Go see Mama. Yep. Okay, that's all.
Oh, jump.
Dance. Dance, little girl. Are you dancing? Dance, little girl. Oh, you dancing. Dance. Dance, little girl. Look at you. Lovin'. Lovin' the bunny.
It's not me.
Are you loving on Mackenzie? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands, little girl. Enough of that, I guess. Fun wore off. Oh, God, Mackenzie. You forgot Elmo in there. Get them all going. Mackenzie. You have more fun than she does, Mackenzie. Okay.
Only from Domino's new garlic crunch crust pizza. Roasted garlic baked right into the dough and Parmesan crunchy all around the edge.
Go get Mackenzie. Go get Mackenzie. She's sitting there waiting. Nice butt, Mackenzie. Get Mackenzie. Go on. Ava, where's Mackenzie? She can't see you, hon. Oh gosh, just spotted the light. Give Mackenzie big kisses. Ava, no, give Mackenzie big kisses. Big kisses for big kisses. Oh no, she wants the light. Hold on. Give Mackenzie big kisses. Oh, Ava, love on Mackenzie. No, she spotted the camera. Get off those steps, Miss Ava. Ava Sue. Get Mackenzie. Get Mackenzie. I think she should give Mackenzie some big loves. Ava, give Mackenzie big love. Guess not. God. She's getting away from me, Mackenzie. She's getting away. God. Fell on your butt. Where's Mackenzie? Whoa, that means no. Where's Mackenzie? I see Mackenzie. Yes. They have a bottle, Mackenzie. Oh, Ava Sue, no!
No.
Have this all on tape, Ava Sue. Your mommy's gonna get mad at you. Ha ha. Ha ha, gotcha. Where's Mackenzie? Oh, Kenzie's doing a strip. Woo-hoo! Where's Mackenzie? I see Mackenzie over there. Where is he, Ava? Where's Ava? Where's Ava Sue? All I have is a chair with a little part of a head. Ava Sue.
It's my word. Now. Thank you very much.
I let her hold the fork and put it in her mouth. She does that a lot of times. I probably won't do it now.
She's giving a show for the camera this time. Oh, she's woo!
Is it too bright?
Kind of bright. Much needed.
I don't think so.
You choking? Hold it yourself? Wanna hold it? No, you.
About time, Mom. Feed myself.
So when she starts getting a little bit fuller, then she wants to feed herself.
Yeah, 'cause she can't feed herself fast enough.
I know, that's why she needs to feed her.
Ava Sue. Ava Sue. What you doing?
She's starving, Nana.
Well, they didn't feed her at daycare.
Gosh, she's eating so. Oh, you gotta I know. Okay, you crams the whole thing in her mouth.
She's talking to you, Mom.
Oh, do you need some more? Okay, now you're just making a big mess. That's all over your shirt.
Get him. Get your brother. She can't get up, Mackenzie.
I have fallen and I cannot get up.
You're gonna watch the camera, aren't you? Get Mackenzie. Ava Sue, get him. Well, now she's all done playing. I got the camera out. Ava Sue.
Ava.
Where's Mackenzie? Where is he? Where's Mackenzie? This is Mackenzie, age 10, laying in a playpen on a school day watching cartoons. That's pretty bad, Mackenzie. What you doing? Say, let me out. Where's Ava? What you doing, little girl? There's your brother. He kicked you.
I didn't.
Kick him back.
No, I didn't kick her.
There's your dinosaur, Ava. There's your dinosaur. Makes noise. Kenzie's got a toy. Mackenzie. She gasped on your head.
Yeah,
Good job, Ava.
I heard it. It was achy.
Right in your face.
Yeah.
Ew. Ew. Ava had gas on Mackenzie's face. Well, she's got to get up there. You're in her way.
My side.
Look how big Ava is. Woo, look how big you are.
My butt. Ow. That's my butt.
But you can see out better.
She's supposed to fall out.
You better hang on to her. Just smack herself in the head.
Hey, hey, hey. No.
Oh, good video material. Temper tantrum.
You were about to fall out. That's why I didn't disappear.
Temper tantrum.
You
Yay.
can't leave it. You just can't jump out.
Well, choke yourself, beanhead.
I didn't do it. Mad at me.
Well, you moved. Ava Sue, give Mackenzie kisses. Give Mackenzie a kiss. Oh, give him kisses. Yep, cartoons won out. Sorry.
No, you're gonna jump up. Stay there.
She's getting a little excited.
You might be tall, but you still have the same strength.
Yeah, smack your neck one of these days. Ava, look. Oh, give the kitty kisses. Nice girl. Ava Sue. Come here. Ava. Oh, don't bite the kitty. No, don't bite the kitty. Where are you? Come here. Come here. Uh-huh. Come here, Ava Sue. Nice. Be nice. Nice kitty. Come here, Ava. What's outside? Oh, the battery's going low again. Jeez.
We'll save it for tonight. Is that a new battery?
No, it's just been sitting.
That too.
You like that?
Oops.
That bright light.
Here, put your hat on. Yeah. Make your hat. She says, I'm gonna get all you people back and making fun of me, you know this? You look like a sailor now.
Making noises.
Huh?
Camera's making noises.
10 years old. It's like a billion years old.
Oh, he can have some.
You're beating on my little granddaughter. He's beating on you, Ava Sue. Nice going. Jeez, nice going. Ava Sue, what's he doing to you? Hi. Where's Ava?
Okay, get it down the right way. There you go.
Okay, pull her pants up. Don't give her wedgies either.
Okay, let's do farmer pants. Come back here. Okay.
Oh, don't do that to her. If he makes you look funny. And there's Mackenzie with his big cheek. Hi, Mackenzie.
Look at her hat.
I want to get your jaw there.
Swollen jaw.
Here comes the zoom in. I'm getting it. Turn your head. Other way. Other side. Let me see your jaw. Come on, sweetie. Turn around the other side. Mackenzie. Look at Ava. Hello. I want to see your pretty jaw on Ava's birthday. Mackenzie.
No.
Mackenzie doesn't want to show me his pretty jaw. It's okay. I turned it around, Mackenzie. It's okay.
Paper is bad.
Don't send her over here.
Thank you. No, you can't play with that. And you can't eat paper. Where's Elmo?